I mentioned this earlier, like, why does this problem exist the way it does? And what made us realize is that like a lot of, and pushed us to build, especially the hardware element, is that we realized fundamentally a lot of the data that you actually need, there's the core critical data in a manufacturing process does not exist today. And the reason it doesn't exist today is that in order to obtain that data, it requires literally people to go on the shop floor, take a sample off a line and like test that sample. And so in process, the entire concept of process manufacturing is turning a set of raw materials through a production process into a finished good, whether this is making pharmaceuticals, for example, to making consumer packaged goods, to making food and beverage. It's converting these raw materials into a set of finished goods. And so the entire like fundamental of like what process manufacturing actually does is things literally change by the second, right? Like your raw materials are changing by the second into your finished product in whatever production process that you have or like recipe that you have.